What's up, guys? Synthetic Division here. So we're going to set up my NerdQX. This is just, or Nerdaxe, sorry. We're going to set this up, and I'm just going to walk you through it. I've never actually set up a Nerdaxe, so this is all new to me. So we'll go ahead and click here to set it up, and it should ask us to sign in. If it's going to go, it keeps kicking me back to my Wi-Fi. I've had that happen a few times where it'll kind of kick me back and forth. So let's see, doing that again. So we might need to. I've had it up operational for a little too long, so it might be acting weird. So let's just do this real quick. Let's go ahead and looks like we might have it. Sometimes it kicks you back and forth. So let's see. It's my Wi-Fi. Come on. Yeah, sometimes it kicks me in and out. I've had that happen a few times. So let's go. What is going on here? So let's reset it real fast, just because maybe it's being a little weird and it needs a reset or something. I tried to sign into it once before and it's been kind of weird, so let's go ahead and plug it back in. We'll see if it gets back to this where it's ready to start connecting. Okay, so now let's try this. Save connection failure. Well, that's not good. Now we're obtaining an IP address, so it should ask us to sign in. Perfect. That's what we were waiting for. Is that, like, it's been weird, but I guess if you can't connect it, you may try just a quick reset. So let's go to the settings. I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi stuff in just a second real quick. I'm going to go ahead and delete everything here, and then I'm going to pull it off screen and type in my Wi-Fi stuff. And you'll do the same for your own. Is just the SSID is just the name of your network, and the password is just your password that you use on your Wi-Fi. So, and then always double check the spelling of your password and make sure it's right, and make sure there's no spaces on the end of your Wi-Fi name if you auto-filled it. That way you don't have that problem where it just kind of starts boot looping. I've seen that. I've had that happen before. So now we're going to come down here and we're going to sign in. I'm just going to let it go till the Wi-Fi address gets going. This way we don't have any problems. So let's save it and then restart it. And then I'll come over and get my info from the Wi-Fi. So I need to make sure I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. We're connected. The Nerdaxe should have restarted by now. And let's see if we can get. No, looks like we didn't get our Wi-Fi. That's interesting. So let's try it again. Again, I've never done a Nerdaxe, but I figured it was kind of like a Bitaxe, right? I mean, pretty similar in design, from my understanding. But this is solid information on why it's not working. I'm curious. So, okay, now it's going to have a sign in again. Okay, that's interesting. See, and maybe I did it. Maybe I did do that. So I'll pull it off screen real quick to check my, and that's what I did. Remember me telling you guys about, so that's my last name, not a big deal, but you remember me telling you about that space being on the end and how it'll kick out? That's what happened. So I'm going to make sure it doesn't show my password. Let's type in my password again. And it's actually asking for that, but I had a little tiny space on the end there and it kicked me out. So good info there. Good info. That's pretty awesome, actually, that it did that. At least it allowed me to reset it. So let's go ahead and this is just on its stock stuff. We're just going to go down and we're going to hit save. And then we're going to restart it and see if it goes this time. But it did have a space on the end. I think that's what did it. You don't want it to do that. You don't want it to get that space on the end of it. There we go. We're on my Wi-Fi on there now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go. I have my credentials for Mining Dutch set up already. So let's go in here. Our IP address on here is, man, I'm going to pull it up to see it. It's pretty small. 177. Okay, so we're going to come over to my browser. let's not mess up that one. We want to keep that tab open. That's my mining credentials there. So we're going to go 192.168.1.177. And that should take us to the Nerdaxe interface. Okay. So before I go to settings, I'm going to scroll out real quick so you don't see my Wi-Fi credentials, just in case it's showing. You never know. Okay, so right here we're at our pool stuff. So let's go over here. Actually, right here in the tabs, we should be able to. Of course, the tabs are being done. Let's grab my info right here. We need to grab this. And I'm just gonna select all, copy. And then we'll scroll between tabs. And we'll punch that in right there. Now remember not to use your stratum and all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and delete that until it says just there. And again, I'm on Dutch, so I'm mining Dutch. And make sure you don't do the 2 slashes. And then the port is 996. Delete the username. Delete that. And then we'll switch over here real quick and grab my username. Copy. And then we'll switch back and grab it and punch it in right there. And then we're going to name this the Nerdaxe. Nerdaxe. Yeah, we'll just say Nerdaxe for now. Now the password on Dutch is going to be your difficulty, and they have it over there already set up. That's my difficulty. Now it will auto adjust, but that's a good way to get yourself started with your difficulty. So we're gonna, oh wow, nice password there. We're gonna enter password, and then I think that is it for now. I haven't set a fallback, but I will set a fallback on my computer because I usually fall back to unmineable or Quai from the Cryptex. So let's go ahead and save. And then we'll restart one more time and we'll see if it starts. Make sure it mines to my my pool. So here we go. We're restarting. No, I don't want to save passwords. I really like the screen on these way better than the Bitaxes. I mean, yeah, they're a little hard to see, but at least it says something. So hopefully I got everything entered in right. Oh, there we go. All right. So looks like we're connected. We're doing good. We're not on a fallback pool. So pretty cool stuff here. Got my stuff right there. So let's go over to Dutch real quick and scroll up, and we'll go to my workers. We've got a pile of workers on Dutch there. So there we go. Look at that. It's all there. Oh, it's already shown up right there, the Nerdaxe. So let's go. This is all the devices I have on there. It's so wild. Where's the Nerdaxe at? Oh, it's default. It'll say default first because we need to create a group. So when you come over here, hit this little right there, and it might bring it up right there in your screen. So we're going to call this the Nerdaxe group. So Nerdaxe, okay. And then we'll come through here and find the device and then save. Now, when you first set up to Dutch, I'll show you. It's kind of hard to see, but there's the Nerdaxe working group, and it'll be multi-port first. So I recommend a refresh real quick so that we can see it working. And then we'll come back down here. And I got so many Bitaxes and stuff on there. It might have moved it to the top now. So yeah, so right here, Nerdaxe group, configured mining, and it's just going multi-port. So then what you do is you come down here, select your mining group. So Nerdaxe, coin select. I'm going to do Bitcoin Silver. And then I'm going to set it to solo. And then hit apply. And then it'll actually automatically start. It'll automatically change it. See, it's already started to change it. set it here, and then it'll be confirmed there. But that's really it. That's how I got this one. This one is from that YYSLSLUPING. I'm not even going to say it out loud because it sounds terrible. But yeah, this is just a rough go at it, guys. I just figured I'd show you. Hopefully it looks good, and maybe this will help you. Like I said, I screwed up the Wi-Fi thing, and you saw what happened. It kicked me right back out. Kind of neat. I'm glad I was able to capture that. Actually, it's kind of cool. So, anyways, guys, I just figured I wanted to let's I first time setting up a Nerdaxe, and we'll go over it some more in detail over on the computer. But for now, that's it. I appreciate you guys coming by. Check out some of my other videos about setups and cooling and fun mods and some janky stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.